हे गाइस, दिस इज कंकोना। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज मैं आपके साथ एक और नायका हॉल शेयर करने वाली हूँ, जो कि आप देख ही सकते हैं। बिफोर वॉचिंग द फुल वीडियो, प्लीज डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली एंड गिव दिस वीडियो अ बिग थम्स अप. You can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is linked down in the description box below. So चलिए, without any further ado, let's get started. So the first two things that I want to show you guys are hair equipments. So this is the first thing, Vega का hair dryer. So this is how the product looks like. It's a big hair dryer. This has cool and hot both the hair functions. So इतना बड़ा आपको तार मिलता है, इतना बड़ा आपको ये वाला मिलता है. Then it has two different क्या बोलते हैं इसको, एक बड़ा है एक छोटा है, जो हेयर सुखाने के लिए ये वाला मिलता है. एंड देन यू ऑल्सो गेट दिस वन विच इज रियली गुड फॉर कर्ली हेयर गर्ल्स. तो आप अगर कर्ली हेयर है तो आप ऐसे इसको रख के हेयर ड्राई कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस आर ऑल अटैच्ड विद दिस वन, ऐसे अटैच किया जाता है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई कॉल्ड फॉर. द प्राइस अराउंड रुपीज 2000 या 2500 ऐसा कुछ था. I don't really remember. Okay, so the second thing that I called for is Agaro Insta Hair Curler. So this is how the hair curler looks like. This is a gift from my brother. He gifted me this one, and इसका price है रुपीज 795, विच इज अराउंड रुपीज 800. एंड दिस इज रियली गुड. अच्छे से कर्ल हो जाता है एंड आई एम गुड टू गो. So these are the two equipments that I got from Nykaa. The second thing that I got is a luxury item, which is Laneige का ये water sleeping mask, which is a 25 ml of product, rupees 700. and it's a very small packaging. थोड़े ही दिन में खत्म हो जाएगा. I haven't started using this one yet. This is a gift from my mother. Then मुझे और भी कुछ पैकेजेस मिला है. Free samples from Laneige. This is the water sleeping mask का sample. This is the water dew tone up cream का sample. This is the eye sleeping mask का sample. These are the samples. And then the second thing that I got is this Elegirl Pro Contour Cream Highlight and Contour. So this is how it looks like. This is also a gift from my mother. So ये दो प्रोडक्ट्स है. और एलेगर्ल का जो प्राइस है, द प्राइस ऑफ दिस एलेगर्ल कॉन्टोर एंड हाइलाइटर इज रुपीज 675, which is a bit pricey. Okay, then I will open this box. इस बॉक्स के अंदर भी बहुत सारे चीज है. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this Nykaa का sheet mask. This is the rice and chamomile for nourished and radiant skin. This is the mask that I got. Then the second thing that I got is this Faces Canada का Let's Stay Matte Compact SPF 20 Shea Butter 9 ग्राम, and इसका प्राइस है रुपीज 199. Okay, so this is how the inner packaging looks like. It comes with a mirror and a puff, and this is the shade, which is very similar to my skin tone. Then I got this Swiss Beauty का Pearl Illuminating Makeup Base, and its price is rupees 249, and this is in the shade number 2, silver pink. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. So these are like my gift items from my mother, my brother Ronit, and all of them gifted me all this. I got this Nykaa ka Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. Its price is rupees 799 and this is in the shade 08 Pure Olive. This is how the inner packaging looks like. Then I got a eyeliner from Wet n Wild and this is the liquid eyeliner in the shade dark brown. This is how it looks like. Brown eyeliner. Okay, then I got this Wet n Wild ka natural finish setting spray and its price is rupees 599. Then I got Faces Canada का weightless matte finish foundation जो कि 18 ml का है and its price is also rupees 199. छोटू सा foundation. Ordered this Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel. It is prebiotic and hyaluronic acid. This is how the inner packaging looks like. Okay, then I got a highlighter and this is from Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the shade Precious Petal and its price is rupees 599. Okay, then I got a mascara. This is the Voluminous Slash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal Paris and its price is rupees 799. Then I got a concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer and it's in the shade 120 Light and its price is rupees 620. Then I got a lip and cheek tint from Etude House. This is the Dear Darling Water Gel Tint and its price is rupees 450 and this is how it looks like. The packaging is really cute. Looks like a ice cream, so it's really good. Then I got another free sample from Laneige. This is the original Ampule Essence. Then I have few lipsticks. The first lipstick that I want to show you all is this Huda Beauty ka lipstick. I'm just obsessed with this lipstick and it's in the shade First Kiss. So this is how it looks like. It's this क्या बोलते हैं वो packaging है Huda Beauty. You can see this is the shade. मैं swatch करके दिखाती हूँ. So this is the shade. This is a very muted pink nude color. Then I got this Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick in the shade Mishti क्योंकि मेरा जो मिष्टी था वो खत्म हो चुका है and I really like the shade. मैं swatch करके दिखाती हूँ. This is the bigger packaging. इससे पहले मेरे पास smaller packaging था. This is the shade, a really nice rosy red color. Then I got Nykaa ka Pout Perfect lipstick in the shade Brick Me Red. So this is how it looks like and this is the swatch. You can see brick red color hai iska. Then I have another Nykaa lipstick. This is the Creamy Mattes, I guess, and it's in the shade You Are Latte. And this is the shade, a really nice brownish nude color. Then I got two lipsticks from Wet n Wild. The first one is in the shade Cherry Frost. Okay, I got two same lipstick in the shade Cherry Frost. Okay, so this is how Cherry Frost looks like, a pinkish red color and दूसरा वाला भी same ही है, so I'm not swatching that one. Then I got a lipstick from Nykaa. Then I got a lipstick from Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Red Rust. This is a maroon color. This is the shade, a maroon red color. Then the last thing, the last lipstick that I got is this Wet n Wild ka Catsuit lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. And this is the shade, a really nice nude brown color. So the first thing that I have is this LA Color ka shimmer bronzer. This is in the shade Sunkissed Glow, and its price is rupees 550. Then I have 5 Lifebuoy ka Germ Kill Spray, and each of them its price is rupees 149. So 149 into 5 you calculate. Then I have this V-Wash ka Expert Intimate Wash, and its price is rupees 180. Then I have this Pepsodent ka Gum Care toothpaste, and its price is rupees 98. And yeah, that's all for the haul and the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. So this is all the things that I got from Nykaa this time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. Share this video with your friends and family. Give this video a big thumbs up, and please follow me on Instagram. मैं वहाँ पे different content share करती हूँ YouTube से अलग. So you will definitely love watching me there. Bye.